In this section, we'll be creating the title slide of our corporate section zoom template in PowerPoint. I already have PowerPoint open. You can go ahead and create a new PowerPoint presentation and just open it. So I'm going to select these two text boxes and I'm going to delete it. The first thing we're going to do is insert an image. So I'm going to go over to insert pictures and we're going to insert from stock images. I'm going to search for corporates and we're going to use this image. I'm going to go ahead and insert that into our slide. Now the dimension of this image really doesn't matter as long as it's covering the entire height of your slide, that's fine. So let's just crop it to make it a bit smaller to around this, and then I'm holding shift down and I want to move this image so that we have something like this, and I'm just going to close that. Next, let's insert a shape. Go over to shapes and we're going to insert a rectangle, and I'm just going to have that. Let's change the dimensions of this rectangle to 19 cm to 19, and I'm going to rotate this so that it faces this direction like this, and I'm just going to move it somewhere around here. Currently it's around 6. Let's just leave it like that. Now select the image and then the rectangle. Go over to shape format. Under the merge options, select subtract, and we'll have this image with this unique shape. Once again, go over to shapes and under basic shapes, use this half frame, insert this, and I'm going to hold shift down and then rotate it in the same direction we did with the rectangle, and I'm just going to center it and then align it to this edge here. Go over to fill, change the fill to black. On outline, select no outline. Make the height 19.3 by 19.3, and now I'm going to keep your eye on this edge. Move this handle till that edge disappears. Same with this one. Do the same here till that edge disappears, and we have this back. Now let's come over to insert text box, and I'm going to type out the name of our imaginary business, which is TECHNOVA. This is not a real business, it's just for this tutorial. Now let's change the font. This is going to be Montserrat Medium, and I'm going to change the size of this font to 80. I'm going to increase this, and our text doesn't quite fit. That's not an issue. What I'm just going to do is move this one in a bit. Just make sure your image isn't you won't have parts of your image showing. Just move this one in, and I'm just going to move this so that we have TECHNOVA, and the text is going to be aligned to the center of your frame, of your slide. Let's now create another text box, or we could just create a copy. So I'm going to just use Control to create a new copy. This one is going to be railway. Size is 28, and I'm going to now grab my text. I'm going to come over to my notes, and this is our subtitle. I'm going to copy that, select all of this, and I'm going to paste, and it changed the font. Railway 28, and I'm just going to change the alignment of this text to center. I could also do the same for this one. So we have our two text boxes. I'm just going to go to shape formats, align center, and this is what you should have as your title slide. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like in the slideshow view. And I'm just going to run the slideshow. Yeah, this is our title slide.